Wait, I got a much better way to heat this up. Much better way. Pizza in the microwave sucks. All right, since it's 30 degrees out, I figured I could come out here and warm my pizza up on my rocket stove. Now this is a rocket stove I bought off of Amazon, and it's the cheapest one I could find. So we'll see how this cheap rocket stove will go. And if you want to see everything that did come in the box with this, I will show you that at the end of this video. But now I just got some scrap wood. I already have some wood down in there. This is where you put the wood. There's a little spot here under it that breathe air, and then you can pull ashes out of the bottom here. I kind of talk about this at the end of the video. So let's see if we can get this thing fired up. And you could use little sticks in this or whatever you want, but since I'm always building stuff, I have all this really scrap wood in my garage that I think I'm going to try to use. Let's see what happens here. I have a little piece of newspaper shoved in there too. So see if this thing lights right up. Oh look, the smoke's got to blow right in my face. Oh, look at that, it's ripping already. There is the rocket stove. She's already, I don't know if it's good to fire it up when it's windy out, but it's rocketing. I'm gonna let that wood get burning pretty good, and then I'm gonna put this pan on here and heat up my pizza. Let's shut that door. Ha! Definitely works. Let's let that newspaper get burned up good, and then the smoke will probably slow down. That's the air hole right there. This is where you put the wood. And this is where you can pull some ashes out if it starts filling up. My wife has no clue what I'm doing. She probably thinks I'm crazy. Let's put some more of this wood in. I can fill that sucker right up because it takes air underneath. We want warm pizza. You know what? I think I'm going to try to spin this. Oh yeah, it's better. Everybody else makes eggs and steaks on theirs. I'm just gonna heat my pizza up. Pizza heated up in the microwave does suck. You gotta agree with me there, right? Let's heat this up. I think we got it running pretty good. Yeah, that'll work. Put my pizza up there. I don't know. Hope the wife doesn't mind that I'm borrowing her pan. I can see me having to buy her a new one. And I have my nice new heated jacket on. You guys ever have one of these heated jackets? It's really slick. Probably shouldn't get all these ashes on it. The arms are heated, front, back. All right, let me put this lid on. Once I start seeing my cheese start to melt again, I guess it's time to eat it. Maybe little sticks would have worked better. I think I still want to try to build one of these myself, but my welding skills suck. I don't know if that helps to keep that open. Push that one in there. I think this chimney, I'm gonna call this the chimney. I think that should be a little longer. If that was longer, it would work better. Now we're getting some flames though. There we go. As long as I don't burn my handle. Why is she burning good? Oh, it's starting to heat up in there too. Let's see. Now it's burning good. Throw another one down in there.
What is that? Wait, that's the stove?
That's my rocket stove.
Yeah, the rocket stove.
I moved the party into my garage. Turned the jacket down to low. It's too dang cold out there. I think that stove would work a little better though if it wasn't so windy outside. It's a little too windy. Yep, definitely tastes a little crispier than when you heat it up in the microwave. I don't know, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below, let me know what you think. Am I crazy? Do you like my beard? Do you like this cold weather? Maybe you live somewhere it's warm. Let me know, maybe I want to move there because I'm sick of this 30-degree weather. Actually, 30 ain't real bad right now if it wasn't so windy out. Thanks for watching this video. Hit the subscribe button to help support this channel. God bless and have a great day. And continue watching this video if you want to see everything that does come in the box with that rocket stove. Let me show you everything that did come with this rocket stove. This is the Joy-A-C, I guess that's how you say it. But this is the cheapest rocket stove I could find on Amazon. And this really doesn't seem like it's too bad. It has this little bag that actually comes in there like that. Everything's in there. These little white gloves. I don't know. All this stuff you get, this stuff that's cheaper, always comes with white gloves. Comes with this little carrying case. So we pull that out. Pull this out. Dump that out. Pretty much all you got to do is put this leg on the bottom. There's two little holes here at the bottom, and they are threaded. And it comes with these little wing bolts, wing nuts. I don't know, they're not really nuts, but we're going to slide that ahead. And this goes in here. And then you thread these into that. Real simple. My first impression of this is it's actually not too bad for the price. I looked for the cheapest one I could possibly find, and this is what it is. And if you guys like this, I might try to buy the most expensive one, and we'll see how that one goes. All right, now this goes up top here. Yeah, there you go. Then you get your wife's pan out of the kitchen, and you can sit it on there. I think that'll work. That's it. And like you've seen in the video so far, this part right here is where you load your sticks in. And then right below it, down here is where air is going to go in. Oh, it did come with something else. Oh, here it is. I knew there was something. It did come also with this little thing. Kind of a little pokey thing. You could maybe use it for your fire, but you can also pick this bottom one up and pull some of your ashes out. So, thanks for watching.